This is like a plushy figure. He's got vinyl limbs and stuff like that. And I paid $3 for him with a 30% off, so I got him for $2.
Let me see that again.
$3.
Make sure you're telling the truth. Okay.
And this guy goes for anywhere from 25 to $30. What's going on, everybody? We're here on Steve Reagan's channel at ReaganProfit.com, and we're coming to you with a little mini video about this purple rat.
What is
right
that?
Here. Look at this. I can dance, I can dance, I can dance, I can dance. Paid $3 at a thrift store called Savers, and this guy right here is from Bananas in Pajamas, which was a TV show in the 90s. If anyone's ever seen it, you know that this is Rat in the Hat. And this is like a plushy figure. He's got vinyl limbs and stuff like that. And I paid $3 for him with a 30% off, so I got him for $2.
Let me see that again.
$3.
Make sure you're telling the truth. Okay.
And this guy goes for anywhere from 25 to $30. I've seen it higher with his vest. A lot of people don't have the vest. I thought the vest was very an attractive piece of why I picked it up. And basically you should look for any vintage TV shows that made figures, stuffed animals, plushes, action figures, whatever it is. Like, the funny thing is, I didn't know what this guy was. I walked into the thrift store, I looked at it, I'm like, this is interesting. It looks different. I threw it in my carriage. So then I was like, how am I gonna value this? And then I look at the back of the neck and it says, Ost Broadcasting Corp. 1996. So I put that in on Google. I typed Ost 1996 and it came out as the ABC Broadcasting Company.
Wow.
So then I went and put ABC Purple Mouse. And guess what came up?
Profits.
This guy. And it was a Rat in the Hat from Bananas in Pajamas. So I was able to easily identify it by looking up what the name was, finding the company, looking up the year, and just describing that he's a purple mouse or rat. And that's how I easily identify. I didn't know what this toy was before I walked in that day, and I just found it out today. It's a pretty cool one, and he's probably gonna make me about $30.
Yeah, let us know in the comments, has anybody ever heard of this little rat? This is unique, and have you ever sold it?
Banana pajamas.
You know what's so funny, Vinny? After we post these videos, always in the next couple of videos, someone's like, I found that toy, I found this next toy. Someone's gonna make some money.
Does anyone remember that? Bananas in Pajamas? No. All right,
we'll see if our video editor, Paul, let's put your skills to the test.
Bananas in pajamas are coming down the stairs.
Banana in Pajamas, Rat in the Hat is his name.
Awesome, awesome. And any final advice to the people?
Look out for weird, obscure things that you don't know. You never know what you're gonna find. Like, I know so much about toys. I have 4 guides of over 100 toys that I know of, that I resell all the time, that I can identify. And then I walk into a thrift store and I see this, and he's not one of those toys. I didn't know what he was, and looked him up, and here you go. Now I'm gonna be looking out for this guy, this little rat. Guys, if you don't get the toy guide, you're gonna be missing out. It's time.
All right, with that being said, go out there, make it happen. Keep on picking and making the money, and I'll see you in the next video.
Peace.